How to play offline radio in your iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Podcasts application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Podcasts homepage. On this page, you can view and explore all the available podcast tracks. Go over to any podcast from here and tap on the three dots as shown. Then, tap on Download. You have now successfully downloaded this podcast. After that, go to the bottom panel and tap on Library. Here, go to Downloaded. You can find all your downloaded podcasts over here. Now, go to the top right corner and swipe down on the screen to open the control center. Tap on the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off. And then, go back and tap on the podcast you just downloaded to play it. Following these steps, you can easily play offline radio in your iPhone.